Hey guys, it's Spark Bear again. Welcome back to my channel. And sorry it's took a bit long, but this is part 2 of Bonfire Night Firework stash for this year. Everything you see here now is all new, so if you haven't saw part 1, I'll link that down below so you can see that. So yeah, I'm not getting any more after this now. This is the complete stash, including part 1 and this part. So yeah, let's get started. So there's 3 places where we got them from in the, is it 3? No, 4 places, which are Latif's, Holly Bush and Lidl. Also there is 3 places. So yeah, these are from Latif's, these party selection boxes, just filled with your small cakes, fountains, shot tubes, single shots. I've not opened it yet, so I don't know if there's a Catherine wheel in it. There used to be, but I don't know if they include that Catherine wheel anymore. 526 grams in there. Category F2, 8 metre safety distance, which means are perfect for most gardens. So yeah, buy one get one free from Latif's for them. We also got these, which are the Stealth Command. You do get some of them in like selection boxes as well. But these are from the pack itself. 33 grams in those. And there's the effects if you want to read them. I'm going to scan the QR codes as well. There. And for the box as well. Yeah, so we've got them, buy one get one free also. Most things are buy one get one free from Latif's. Just the odd one or two that isn't. We got these, which are Ninja's Time and Ninja's Power. Both 19 shots. We've never had these before, so we got these to see what they're like. 85.5 grams in there and 81.7 in that one. You do get a blue one, a yellow one and a red one as well, but you can mix and match which one you want. So we got the blue and the yellow one. So yeah, we'll see what them are like. Is there anything else from the Latif's? Yeah, these 4 packs of sparklers, Monster Coloured and Monster Crackling. You always got to get some packs of sparklers for Bonfire Night. Buy one get one free as well. And finally from Latif's, we've got these, which are the Wizard ones. We had 1 pack of these last year and really enjoyed them, so we got more this year. We got 2 packs from Latif's, which are buy one get one free, and also another pack from the range. And obviously the range isn't buy one get one free, so you have to buy them separate from there. Yeah, so we got 3 packs of them. Some good fun if you have some of these. They are different colours as well. Red, green, yellow and blue. Yeah, so that's everything from Latif's. Next we come to these, which are from Lidl. And as well, Lidl isn't buy one get one free, we have to buy these separate, which are the Strike shot tubes. There's 40 grams in each of them. Yeah, so that's the only thing we got from Lidl. Next we come to the range, and we've got this, which is the Guy Fawkes selection box. £311 grams, and perfect garden fireworks again, F2, 8 metre. And again you get your small cakes, fainting single shots in there. No Catherine wheel in that one. You do get a stealth command, which are the same as those in a pack. You just get them separate in some selection boxes. Yeah, so we've got that box. So we got 4 selection boxes altogether, one from last year. So 2 parties, 1 Guy Fawkes, and if you saw part 1, we have an aerial selection box as well. So yeah, I'll have to open this to see if there's any Catherine wheels in, because I'm not sure if there is. Also from the range, we have this Hurling Hellcat. This has been out for quite a few years now. 200 shot missile cake. And there's 144 grams of neck in there. Perfect for gardens again, F2, 8 metre safety distance. So yeah, I think that's everything from the range now as well. Next we come to a garden centre called Holly Bush, which is near Wolverhampton. And you might realise if you saw last year's that we had this Screaming Banshee last year as well. We really enjoyed it, so we got it again. 472 grams in there. I have posted a video of this, but I'll probably be re-recording it for a higher quality video. So yeah, look out for that. That's your screeching to a silver burst. And next we've got this, which is the loose cannon. That's from Vivid, and also this from Vivid. Most of the stuff we got from Holly Bush are from Vivid. So yeah, where's the grams? There, 410 grams in there. So this is a fanned cake, I believe, as well. Fanned effect. We don't bother with this berry line, we just stake it to a piece of wood or place bricks around them. Yeah, I believe it's fanned effect. You can feel some gaps anyway, so yeah. So we got that loose cannon, which we also had last year as well. I'll be recording that this year as well. And next we come to this F2 Ultra Pro Cake box selection, which has 6 cakes in there with a variety of effects, as you can see there, and each starting with a mine. So you get 6 cakes, 16 shots, 20mm tube, so not too bad. And there's no names on these, it's just letters A, B, C, D, E and F. This is A, and each of them have 120 grams in them as well, but each have different effects. Like this one's brocade crown titanium gold coconut plus white straw mine. So that's A. B. I'm going to read the effects. There they are. We got C. spider and red strobe plus brocade creme wine. This D, yeah, D. Crackling wine, that one. And E. And finally we have F from this box. If he focuses. There we go. So yeah, you get 6 of them in there, a variety of effects. Really looking forward to them, so we'll see what them are like. And next we come to these rockets, which you also may realise from last year. These rockets are so good we had to get them again. The Reapers and the Big Bang. Reapers from Vivid and Big Bang from Evolution. Reapers, there is 340 grams in those. And there's a bit more in these, I believe. $420 grams in the Big Bang. Yeah, last time we had those last year, some of the effects on those was absolutely enormous. So yeah, I posted a couple of videos about these. I'm setting the odd one off. But I'll try and record the full pack if I can. There's no guarantees, but I'll try. I'll try and record as many of these as possible as well. I'll see what I can do. So yeah. So yeah, that's everything for part 2, which will be the final part as well, which is the complete stash with part 1 and this part. So yeah, there's only a few days left now. I'll be posting this on Wednesday the 1st of November. So there'll be 4 days left till Bonfire night. And yeah, so that's everything. I hope you have had a good Halloween and have a good and safe Bonfire night. And yeah, see you guys soon.